One of the things that I do in my everyday life that I wanted to recreate for my Instagram was scent therapy, aromatherapy. I love the smell of peppermint. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some in the diffuser and have that going while I'm working. I wanted to find some miniatures that had to do with aromatherapy and things that I use in my everyday life that my Barbie could use in her 1/6 scale world. And so I found some. Let me show you what I found. Since I like Re-Ment so much and I wanted to do something on aromatherapy, I looked, and Re-Ment did make a little aromatherapy kit. They have a little Re-Ment aromatherapy set that has oils, a beaker, a bowl, potpourri. I got on eBay. And I was able to find one. If you were here, you could smell the wonderful scent of my peppermint going over there. So this is a Re-Ment box. This is a company. It's a Japanese company. I actually purchased this from a dealer in Hong Kong, and it arrived. And they just have the most amazing miniatures. Some of my favorite miniatures are Re-Ment. So this Re-Ment kit had the bath balls, the potpourri, the bowl, and what is the name of that thing? The lavender lotion, the beaker, the little bottles, the containers to put them in, aroma pot, I believe that is called. Cute little bath balls, look at those. Little cinnamon stick. A little pestle and mortar set. Look at this little tiny bottle of lavender lotion. And a beaker for measuring. The little cobalt blue bottle. And look at this. Wow. I think we're supposed to put the potpourri in one container. We're going to put the little bath balls. Oops. So now we have the little burner. Like anything you burn always makes it smell stronger, and anything you crush always brings out the fragrance. So we are set to go on that. I love that they have miniatures, realistic miniatures of things that I use in my real life. That's what I'm always trying to find. And this is just the cutest thing you've ever seen. Oh, here are a few of the little Re-Ment goodies I found that can match my little life that I've made. Honey, I Shrunk My Life.